There are some evenings that ask us to slow down, to pause, to breathe a little deeper, and to simply be present. So, today, come spend this peaceful evening with me. I am making something simple, kappa or tapioca, and a traditional chicken curry. Just a meal prepared with love for the people who make this house feel like home. As another year of my life quietly approaches, I find myself thinking less about growing older. When I was younger, I thought growing up meant becoming stronger. But now I think it means becoming softer, learning to be patient, learning to forgive, learning that not every battle needs to be fought. And that peace is sometimes the greatest strength we can choose. Life has changed me, not only but the quiet places within my heart. As women, as daughters, as mothers, we wear so many roles. Some are beautiful, some are challenging, and most of them are unseen. Yet somehow we wake up each morning, take a deep breath, and begin again. There is something deeply comforting about cooking for the people we love. Every little step, every stir of the curry, every piece of kappa that goes into the pot feels like a silent way of saying, I care. One of my favorite moments is watching my family take their very first bite. That little smile, that quiet expression of satisfaction somehow makes every bit of effort worthwhile. In those moments, I realize that love doesn't always need grand gestures. Sometimes, love looks like a simple homemade meal shared around the table. As I continue growing through each season of life, my prayers have become similar: a peaceful heart, a healthy family, the wisdom to become kinder than I was yesterday, and the strength to keep showing up with love, even on the ordinary days. By the end of the evening, the kitchen may be a little messy, the dishes may still be wet, and I may be tired. But my heart feels full because today I was able to create another small memory with the people I love. Maybe happiness isn't something we have to search for. Maybe it's already here, hidden in ordinary evenings, simple meals, warm conversations, and the blessing of sharing life with family. Thank you for spending these quiet moments with me. Until we meet again, take care of yourself and don't forget to find joy in the little things.